In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow apps access to your calendars and making changes on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. And in Screen Time, you want to tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, go down and tap on Calendars. And in here, we need to put in the Screen Time passcode. And next, we can choose either Allow Changes or Don't Allow Changes. If you choose Allow Changes, you can go down the list here. Any apps that has request access to your calendars will appear here. Now, because there are no apps so far has requesting the use of calendars, so nothing is being shown right here. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.